A father of 3 young girls took to Twitter to write a heartfelt letter to Ariana Grande, and the sweet words have gone viral. Today's episode is brought to you by the Uncarrier. With unlimited data from T-Mobile, the party never ends. People from all over the world are leaving their support for Ariana Grande and the victims of the Manchester bombing, but there's one father's letter on Twitter that will leave you in tears. Patrick Millsaps, a father of 3 young girls ages 13, 12, and 12, took to Twitter to write a heartfelt note to Ariana Grande. In this letter, he says that Ariana has been a part of their lives for quite some time, admitting that her songs still play through the speaker of his car even after he's dropped the girls off at school. He also wrote, quote, "I will neither confirm nor deny that I have personally seen every episode of Sam and Cat." That's adorable. He continued to offer his fatherly support, telling her she's allowed to take all the time she needs in the wake of this horrific event. He says, quote, "Spend time with your God, your family, and your friends who will give you space and support when you need it." And then went on to say, "Hell, go lick as many freaking donuts as you want. Girl, you deserve it." But after his lighthearted comments comes the Waterworks, really hitting home to so many of us fans, and I'm sure Ariana Grande. He says when she is ready, she absolutely must sing again. Quote, "Music is the international language of peace. Every time you open your mouth and share that incredible God-given gift to the world, you make this crappy world a little less crappy." He concludes his letter by saying she can take all the time she needs and her fans aren't going anywhere. Well, Mr. Millsaps, I couldn't agree with you more, and thank you for your kind words, not only for Ariana, but also for her fans. What do you guys think of this heartfelt dad letter? And let us know below if your dads also rock out to Ariana. I know mine certainly does. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. I'm your host, Megan Lamonte, and I'll see you guys next time. Click to the left to check out how Ariana continues to show her support to the families and the victims of the Manchester bombing. And thanks to our sponsor, T-Mobile, stream, post, and share all the music and video you want, however you want, with unlimited data.